My name is Michael Gray. I am the CEO owner of Gray Project Solutions here in Seattle. We specialize in risk and warranty management as well as post-construction customer service for developers and builders. Really, the reason why we kind of came to be is I found a need in the construction world as a whole. I looked at some of the pitfalls that were being experienced. What we were able to do is essentially look at where the builders were coming up short. And so we went through and we developed a process that more or less helps them manage that without having to dig in the archives, without having to rely on a superintendent to know what they posted on that Post-it note 2 years ago. Everything we were doing was pretty much manual. You know, a lot of Excel and Access and things like that, which, to be totally honest, are fantastic tools. But when your business starts to grow, you really need to find something that's a little more streamlined. And one of the things that I have told myself in moving into Caspio, and even prior to moving into Caspio and looking at other services, that my customers deserve more. And when I say deserve more, they deserve more efficiency on my part. And you know, being a Access and Excel operator type thing, it limited our availability, and you know, it's oftentimes it delayed our timelines and things of that nature. And so now that we've got a Caspio in place, it's you know, it's ramped up our productivity. It's allowed our timelines to shrink. And as a whole, it's like 3 steps forward. I mean, not coming from a technical background, not knowing a thing about coding, I can go in there and I can develop something very robust, very professional, very clean, that I have no remorse or regrets about delivering on to my customers. I was looking for a simple answer to take what I've already got and just make it a little bit easier. And not only have I found that, I've been able to find something that takes me into the future as well. If I didn't have Caspio or a platform like Caspio, I would still be stuck in the dark ages, so to speak, of Excel and Access and handwriting things and pulling even more of my hair out. And I can't really get to express the value that's been created.